Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to this wonderful business presentation today. And I'm really very excited to share an opportunity which can help you to earn income sitting at your home through your smartphone. That sounds amazing, right? So, before I proceed, I request you all to keep your gadgets aside for at least next 10 minutes because this opportunity can change your financial status in just a month. I'm repeating it again. It can change your financial status in just a month. So I request you all to just take out your 10 minutes of your serious time and listen to this opportunity very carefully. All right, let me start. So, what is Tron Razor? We're gonna discuss about Tron Razor. So, what is Tron Razor? So, you can visit our official domain www.tronrazor.io. So, we have official Telegram group too at Tron Razor official. You can join our group. So, the features of Tron Razor, it's very affordable since anybody can start this from a student till a retired person. It's very secured opportunity. Hybrid matrix plan. Let me explain what is it later. So 100% decentralized. That's the best part. Tron. It is a Tron-based smart contract. It is a Tron cryptocurrency-based smart contract. 100% transparent. You can start with as minimum as 200 Trons. As I said, it is very affordable and a peer-to-peer transaction. And your payments are credited to your wallet instantly. You need not wait for weeks or months for your payment. And the best part is you always follow your superior partner in the system. So what are the ways to earn in Tron Razor? That is Tron X4 program, Tron X6 program, Tron X8 program, and Tron Global Auto Pool. So these are the 4 ways where you can earn money through Tron Razor. So you get spillovers from your upline and overflow from your downline. So the project is divided into 4 programs. As I said, X4, X8, X6, and TR Global Pool. So you start with all the 4 programs with just 200 Trons simultaneously. Just with 200 Trons, you can open slots in all the 4 programs. So registration, it's very simple. Once you pay 200 Trons, so it is divided into 4 parts. That is 50, 50, 50, 50, and each 50 goes to each program. That is X4, X6, X8, and Auto Pool. So let us see how X4 program works. So you can see the structure. There's your upline, there is you, and under you there are 6 slots. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how do you make money? So 100% of first, second, fourth, and fifth sale goes to your wallet. I'm repeating it again. 100% of first sale, second sale, fourth sale, and fifth sale goes directly to your wallet, and 100% of third sale goes to your upline, and 100% of sixth sale goes to global overflow. In the sense, it can go to anyone in the system, and your matrix reopens. Again, you can make money through the same matrix. Here you are recommended to upgrade to higher packages so you don't miss any commissions. So totally we have 15 packages starting with 50 Trons, 100 Trons, 200 Trons, up to 8 lakh Trons. So now let's see how X6 program works. So what you saw in X4 program, this is completely a working program. Mean you refer, you make money. Now X6 program, it is a non-working platform where you get spills from your upline and overflow from your downline. So now you can see the structure again. There is your upline, there is you, under you. There are 8 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us see how do you make money in X6 program. So 100% of first sale, second sale, and third sale goes to your upline. I'm repeating it again. 100% of first sale, second sale, third sale goes to your upline, and 100% of 4th to 7th sale, that is 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th sale goes directly to your wallet. That's amazing, right? So you make money here from 4th sale, 5th sale, 6th sale, and 7th sale, and 100% of 8th sale goes to global spill and reopens your matrix. Here also it's similar thing. We recommend you to upgrade to higher packages so you don't miss any commissions. And X8 program, even this is a non-working plan similar to X6 program. So in X8 program, again you see the structure here. You see your super upline, and you. Under you there are 14 positions starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's see how do you make money here. So 100% of first sale and second sale goes to your super upline, and 100% of third sale, fourth sale, fifth sale, and sixth sale goes to your upline. Again, I'm repeating, 100% of first sale and second sale goes to your superior upline or super upline. A super upline is upline who is above your upline. And 100% of third sale, fourth sale, fifth sale, and sixth sale goes to your upline. And here comes the 100% of 7th sale, 8th sale, 9th sale, 10th sale, 11th and 12th and 13th goes to your wallet directly. 100% of 7th to 30th sale goes to your wallet directly. And 100% of 14th sale goes to global spillover and reopens your matrix again for more earnings. So this is very simple. We have 3 programs right now, X4, X6 and X8. X4 is a working plan, X6 and X8 is a non-working platform. So again, here we have 15 packages starting with 50, 100, 200 up to 8 lakh trons. You can open as many as packages you wish for. So TR Global Auto Pool, Tron Global Auto Pool. The best part of this smart contract is this is the unique part which no other smart contract ever had till date. That is, you make money from your upline, from your downline, and the best part is from your cross-line system too. Here you make money from every sale that happens globally, right? So let's see the structure. It's you, under you there are 3 positions. So 1, 2, 3, and 100% of first sale goes to you, 100% of second sale goes to you, and 100% of third sale goes to auto pool. Again, reopens your matrix for more for more earnings. Again, here we recommend you to open more slots, higher packages, so that you don't miss any commissions. So here you can see, if you purchase 1 slot in X4, we recommend you to purchase 2 slots in auto pool. If you purchase 2 slots in X4, we recommend you to purchase 4 slots in auto pool. So it works in 1:2 ratio, so that you have maximum chances to make more money in auto pool. Because again, I'm repeating, global auto pool is nothing but it is a single leg working plan where you get paid for all the sales that happens in the system globally, and which this global auto pool is only with TronRaiser, and no other smart contract has ever come up with such a wonderful earning package. So this is the best part in TronRaiser. So TronRaiser stands unique in TR Global Auto Pool. Here everybody has chances to make money, whether they work or they do not work, right? That's the best part. So Auto Pool also has 15 packages starting with 50 to 8 lakh trons. So to just give an insight how it works, how global overflow works according to universal time. So you can see the universal time starting with 13 hours 1 second, 13 hours 2 seconds, up to 13 hours 9 seconds. So let's say you sign up. After you sign up, whoever signs up with X4, they come under you. They fall in your matrix. Simple. Let's say you started at 1 p.m. and somebody started after you. That is 1 p.m. after you. Let's say 1 o'clock 1 second. At 1 o'clock 1 second, somebody starts and they fall under you. So it's always better to be at first. It's like first come, first position. As simple as that. So spillover according to universal time, again, it's very simple. Who comes first, they take the top position, and whoever comes after you, they fall under your teammate TR Global Spillover. So reinvest, again, as I said, whenever in X4, let's say third sale goes to Global Spillover and your matrix reopens, and your matrix reopens in all the 4 programs, that is X4, X6, X8 and Global Spillover. And it is always, we recommend you to upgrade your packages whenever you complete 1 cycle with your previous package, so that you don't miss any commissions. So colors, blue color is something which is invited by you. Green color represents the partners invited by your downline. Yellow color, partners invited by your upline. And pink color, who overtook the upline in the sense, let's say before you upgrade, if your teammates upgrade, then your teammate will go and fall or take position below somebody who has already upgraded before you. So 1 cycle profit chart, you can see, if you complete 1 cycle in each program, you make up to 32 lakh trons. That's the amazing part. So this is a recommended startup option. As per the experts, they say you can open 3 slots in each program. So totally if you spend 1400 trons, you can have 3 positions in each program. So use any wallet below to sign up and earn. So the majorly, we recommend Tron wallet so that all the payments are instantly credited to your wallet. So this is all about Tron Rise out, dear friends. So the launch is very soon, and you can join our official group for the updates. So the launch date will be announced soon, and we are very close for the launch. So take your first advantage so that you gain more in TR Global Auto Pool. Again, I'm repeating, Tron Global Auto Pool program is gonna fetch you huge money, more than any other smart contract, friends. So trust me, this project is going to be one of the biggest hit in the world, and everyone, whoever takes part in the system, is definitely going to make money, is definitely gonna earn, right? So thank you, friends, and thank you for your time, and let us make maximum out of this Tron project, and let us spread this opportunity across the globe so that every individual can earn money during this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you, friends, and see you all soon.